Today, I'm buying my friend his first bait casting combo.
What?
Yeah, dude! This is my friend Chris, and from fishing with him this summer, I discovered that he is as much of a fishing freak as I am. However, one problem I've noticed is that Chris doesn't have any bait casters. And with my bank account already being battered, I thought it would be a good idea to let Chris choose any casting setup in this whole store that his heart desires. Now let's go make someone real happy. Enjoy. So Chris, today our mission is we each have $30, okay? We're gonna go pick out some lures and we're gonna take them fishing later on. So this is kind of like a $30 Bass Pro Shops challenge. You ready?
I'm ready.
Got Chris headed over to some of the lures. I'm gonna let him do what he's doing for a little bit and then I'm gonna flip the switch and surprise him. All right, so I've given Chris about 3 minutes and I think he's entirely bought into the fact that we're doing a $30 challenge. Now, we're gonna walk up and tell him that's not today's plan. How are you finding?
Honestly, not sure exactly where to look.
What you got so far?
So, got a little popper frog looking thing.
All right.
And I got this, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like a bluegill.
Interesting.
I'm assuming that something good.
Those are some interesting baits you got picked out. How much is that already?
Let's see, this is $5.29, the other one was also $5.29.
Okay.
So I'm about at $10 or so.
Wait, so you picked out those things, but kind of got to throw these on a bait caster. Do you have a bait caster?
You're not.
Chris, do you know what we're really here for?
No. What?
You can pick out any bait casting combo in this store. No budget.
What?
Yeah.
That's what this is for?
Anyone your heart desires.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding.
You're capping.
Yeah, no, so forget this $30 challenge. This was more of a distraction to get you to drive down all the way from Maryland.
No way.
Yeah, I'm not kidding. So you can put these back and start looking around for any bait caster combo you want. Don't worry about the price. I got you covered. You know, you're going off to college soon, so I want to make this a good parting gift.
This is what YouTube does. This is what he did it to his other friend. This is what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm serious.
You're kidding.
All right, well, let's follow you around and see which one you want.
I was gonna say, I was like, you have so many baits at home. Why do you need to buy more baits? This is insane.
Is there a pro qualifier? How much is it?
150.
150? Okay, not bad. I think there's better bait casters you can get. So these are all Bass Pro brands right here. I'd recommend getting like a Luz and Abu Garcia, or if you can find a Shimano. So.
Okay, let's go look for them then. Yep. So this is why when I asked you whether my bait caster was good or not, I texted him and I was like, is my bait caster good? Because my brother got me one as a parting gift as well. And he said, can you return it? And I was like, well, what do you mean return it? Is it good or not? He said, just return it.
His brother got him a bait caster, his first bait caster, as a gift. And I told him, nah, return that thing. Oh yeah, you know what? This is what you want.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We should each get one.
A Zebco 33?
This thing would be sick.
Zebco 33.
There we go. Yeah, there's your new stick.
I used to use one.
Probably like, what, $300 or something? Dude, bass won't see it coming when you use this.
Oh yeah?
Alright, but in all seriousness, all the good ones are down that way. Come on, Bass Pro, don't be slacking on your combos. I don't want it to get to the point where like, we can't find any good combos and then we'll just buy a rod and reel separately. I mean, that's even nicer. Okay, here's some Luz and Abus.
Oh yeah, this does look sweet. No, this looks like a nice one. Yeah, 180.
180, okay.
I don't know like average prices for bait casters. What's an average price for a bait caster?
180 for a combo is pretty decent.
It's pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, I'm kind of liking the feels of this one, not this one.
So far, it's that one.
So far.
It's the Luz Mach Pro combo.
I don't know, I'm very indecisive. There we go.
No one saw that happening.
No.
We're all good.
No. So we have a champion for now. And you're recommending that I get the right-handed one?
Yes, definitely. Bass Pro is kind of slacking with their rods and reel combos. I'm kind of disappointed. I really thought we were gonna get like something crazy. And I mean, like in here, I don't see any Shimanos. Shimano's running out of stock everywhere. If you guys have a Bass Pro near you that is actually loaded with Shimano gear, let me know. I'm gonna drive there real quick.
Speed stick. Have you heard of speed sticks?
I have heard of them.
Are they good? Are they any good?
They're decent. decent, yeah.
I don't know, I just don't want to backlash.
But these both are pretty decent combos, you know. Like about a year ago, I wouldn't buy this stuff because I wouldn't have the money for it. I think this would be a great starter. Let's look around a little bit more and then we'll let Chris decide what he ultimately wants.
Is this also a lose? Yes, it is. I don't want like too long of a rod, if you know what I mean. Because where I fish, there's a lot of trees. I don't know. I just want to be able to maneuver. So that's why I've been using like a 5-foot something rod for the longest time. That one's just the winning right now. I don't know what to say.
It is real nice. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm not wrong, this is actually a brand new product that Lou's released. This is a new line too.
Oh, okay. I might ask somebody where the Shimanos are because you've been talking about Shimanos all day today, ever since I got here.
You got any monos?
Don't have any Shimano. We're having a problem with Shimano right now.
I bet. Yeah, I'm struggling to find like Corrado DCs online too. Can't get them anywhere. I think we are ready to check out. Bring it on over.
Line on there.
Ryan, what do we want for the line?
Probably 15-pound mono.
Absolute perfect timing. Since my spinning rod, my reel just broke on me. I don't know what's wrong with the gears, but I don't know. It's just not taking in line anymore. Yeah. So this is like perfect timing. Saves a lot of time. Thank you.
And
You still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You want to say something?
What's up? I'll check it out.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right. You take care.
One. All right.
Y'all have some good luck tomorrow, man.
Thank
Get
you.
some good footage.
Bass Pro Shop worker giving me the sub. That's awesome.
I just can't believe you actually did it and got me a rod.
We stink at summertime bass fishing. We spent like about 4 hours fishing this morning and we didn't get a single bass landed. And so we resorted to the one and only thing that is a guaranteed fish catching machine: live bait. I know some of you guys in the comment section are gonna be like, oh no, he's using live bait, but there's really nothing much else you can do. But before we go and start dangling, I want to say thank you for Mystery Tackle Box for sponsoring today's video. If it weren't for them, I wouldn't be able to film crazy challenges like this. The general concept of a Mystery Tackle Box is, as it implies, every single month you will get a box just like this with a bunch of baits inside. When I first started bass fishing, I got one of these boxes and I was able to expand my fishing knowledge pretty well using it. If this piques your interest, then check out the link in the description. But now we're cooking in this car. Let's go catch some fish.
Let's do it.
Since we don't really have an aerator for our minnows, we're just using little ice cubes. We're just keeping the water as cold as possible, keeping it oxygenated so they can be nice and lively when we toss them in for bass food. Right as I walk up, there's a 3-pounder just right there. All right, Chris, come on. This is why we pre-rig, boys. Barely hook him. There it is. Here you go. He will eat him. He has to eat him. Oh, look. The bass is coming. Bass is coming. Oh, that's not a bass. That's a bass. Real. Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
First bass.
This is what we do all day. Alrighty. We catch fish this big.
You already know we're getting them 15,000 pounders right here, divided by 15,000. Not even 1 pound though. Oh yeah? What is this, like 6 inches?
Yeah.
All right, should we let him go?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, thanks bud. Skunk is gone.
The skunk is gone, so that's good news. My instincts tell me all the big bass are just hiding right under all this grass. Should we drop it through one of those pockets in the grass?
Yeah. Do you have a knife, pocket knife?
Yeah, I do. What you need it for?
Like, oh.
Yeah. That's what we want.
Oh.
You got smoke. Real.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh dude.
All right, stop reeling.
Okay.
Don't reel.
I'm not going.
Let it line out.
Okay. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Dude,
dude.
This is what I'm telling you.
Your instincts were right. What
I know.
the heck?
All right, bring him up.
All right.
Wait. All right. Bring him closer.
All right.
Don't high stick him. Dude.
Yes!
Dude!
Let's go!
That's a 3 all day.
Go.
Holy God. Give me some, baby. Woo! All right. And look at that.
Oh my God.
Top the mouth. Hold your bass, man.
Absolute tanker. Oh my gosh. Felt awesome. I just see it like something just smack it and Ryan's like, wait, I think you just got something. And it started pulling, and
Hold him up.
set the hook in.
Support his belly, support his belly.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
That's a nice chunker right there. Fish on the new Lose combo. Let's go. Thank you, Ryan. Let's do it. We got it done. There we go. There we go.
And there it is. We have finished today's mission. Chris, how'd you like your new setup?
It's more than I could ask for. Being a spinning rod person, finally getting a bait caster, it's definitely a blessing. Thank you for that.
Yeah, of course. And I want to tell you guys, I don't film these kind of videos to show off or anything. I do it just to show you that it is good to be nice to those who have been with you from the very start. You know, Chris, I've known him forever. And
6th grade.
Yeah, 6th grade. No, even earlier
longer
than that.
Longer than that.
I hope he can use his new setup wisely when he is on his college campus. But I think that's about it for now. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Gonna get in the AC, chill out, not get heat stroke. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, fish for the
adventure.